How to fix Instagram story GIFs not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram story GIFs not showing. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1. That is to check your internet connection. So here, make sure that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network because a slow connection can prevent GIFs from loading in store. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to update the Instagram app. So simply open the Google Play Store and now here in the Play Store, you simply have to search for Instagram, and there if you find the update button, then you can simply tap on it to update the Instagram to the latest version, because sometimes the outdated version can cause GIFs to stop appearing. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the app cache. So here what you can do is simply open the settings app, and now here once you're inside the settings, you simply have to scroll down and tap on apps and then tap on manage apps. And now here in this section, you can simply search for Instagram app and tap on it. And now here in this section, you can simply scroll down and tap on storage, or you can just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And this will remove temporary files that may prevent GIFs from loading. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to restart the Instagram. So here, what you have to do is just close the Instagram app completely, and after that, you can simply reopen it. And with that, you can check if GIFs are now visible in stories or not. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to reinstall the Instagram. So here, if the issue still persists, then what you can do is simply uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it again, and this will fix the most app related glitches. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.